Transform your Instagram followers into engaged customers with a dedicated Squarespace landing page, your ultimate LinkedIn solution. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. We'll begin by creating a new page that will serve as our landing page. Click on Pages in the left-hand menu, and then click the plus icon to add a new page. Select Blank Page, so we have a clean slate to build upon. Now let's give our page a clear and descriptive title, something like Your Brand Name Special Offer, or Connect with Use Works Best. This title won't be directly visible on the page itself, but helps with organization. The core of a landing page is its content. We want to be concise and action-oriented. Start by adding a compelling headline that clearly states the benefit, or offer. Use the Add Block feature and select Text. Below your headline, create a brief, impactful description. What problem does your offer solve? Or what exciting thing will they find? Keep it short and scannable. Again, use the text block. Next, the most crucial element, a strong call to action. This tells visitors exactly what you want them to do. Use a button block. Make the button text clear, like Shop Now, Download, or Learn More. Customize the button's design to make it stand out. Choose a contrasting color and ensure it's large enough to be easily clicked on mobile devices. In the button settings, paste the direct link to your desired destination, a circumflex euros. Whether it's a specific product page, a sign-up form, or your main website. To boost credibility and visual appeal, add relevant images or even a short video using the image or video blocks. Make sure these visuals directly support your offer and brand. Consider adding social proof, like testimonials or logos of happy clients. Using a gallery or text block, this builds trust and encourages conversions. Finally, remember to optimize for mobile. Squarespace automatically makes your site responsive, but preview your page on different devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Click the mobile preview icon at the top of your editor. Once you're happy, hit Done, and then Save Now. Copy the URL of this new landing page and paste it directly into your Instagram bio. You've now created a powerful tool to drive traffic and engagement from your Instagram posts.